Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS fonts. And right now we will be discussing about CSS generic font families. All the different font names belong to one of the generic font families. Once again, all the different font names belong to one of the generic font families. So never forget, anytime you are using a font name, that font name is belong to one of the generic font families. And also in CSS there are 5 generic font families. Once again, in CSS font, let me call it fonts. In CSS fonts, there are 5 generic font families. So you are going to be seeing the 5 generic font families, and you are going to see some examples. I'm going to give you some examples on some font names that is belong to each one of those 5 font families. So I'm going to be showing you everything one by one so you can be able to understand how it goes. So once again, all the different font names belongs to one of the generic CSS font families. And also in CSS fonts, there are 5 generic font families. So we are going to be seeing all these kind of things in deep details. Anwar Akorede ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time. To the next tutorial. Peace and love. Have a great day. Bye bye. Thank you. Until the next.